coming over here.
They gave them a warning already about being here. Cut.
I know you're not from Florida.
I mean, they could have been just going to the beach. You feel me?
Stop walking around.
I mean, nowadays women look like that
I'll get
walking
it
the
for you. No, that
streets.
can't go to
So
where you're going. So go over there.
Well, I sure
I
don't
ain't
get
trying to
flustered too
say
much, but boy howdy, this
she
sure got me
wrong.
all discombobulated.
You feel what I'm
What
saying?
the heck in the
She
bunny
just look
ranch
like
is
an
going on
average
here?
young lady walking the streets
These,
of the hot streets of
ladies
Florida. You know what I'm
of the
saying?
night are walking around the local streets in their dang skivvies, flagging down people and
I
showing all their
mean,
goodies.
first and foremost,
Don't
flagging
they
people
know
down.
this ain't no red light district
You could
in
be saying, hello,
Amsterdam,
hello,
people?
how y'all doing?
You
Hey, having
guessed
a
it
good
right.
time. Just
Cops
turning
received
up, you know what
multiple
I'm saying?
complaints
Spring
about
break
the
just passed,
suspect and
so,
her friends disrupting
you know, they
traffic.
could be
They
still in
were
the
flagging down the motorists
mojo.
to engage in conversation and more.
You have any knife on you?
No, I don't have nothing on me.
Why in your stance?
Can you take this to the store?
Chin, bring her on the
Is
side
the
real quick.
officer named Chen? Yeah, that was crazy. Hey,
Shoot the lad
Chen,
over
come
there.
here. Bring your ass here, Chen. Bring that chin here, boy.
Bring her over here. Let's 24 her.
Chinny-o chin. Wow.
You're from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are you doing here? If you're not out here, no, hold on. If you're not out here with them, right?
Yes.
What are you doing there?
Oh, my boyfriend talking about scooters.
Your boyfriend what?
We talking about electric scooters.
So why you standing in the corner then?
No, I was talking to my friend.
So you over here trying to buy electric scooters. Mama, you the only one who ain't dressed
We're gonna
like,
ask you
you
a
know what
couple
I'm
of questions and
saying?
then we'll go
You
from
a
there.
streetwalker
Okay?
for real.
Watch them while I clean out the car.
Yeah.
We ain't seen Raising Canaan, Power, all them other little crazy shows, Shawty. You pimping the hoes. Pimping the hoes. You working them bitches. Working them bitches. We know what you doing. You got that gangster look too. You got the head tight. You there to make sure they stay in check while your man collect the
Chin, grab the
money.
computer.
He just, you know what I mean? When they need to be. We ain't dumb, y'all. So we ain't dumb. We know the police not dumb. They usually be just walkers like y'all. Maybe not walkers, but
Whose phone is this, hers?
Yeah, I put 13 over here.
You want your phone for him?
so it's just her.
Excuse me.
Back up.
Sit in the middle.
They got a nice little chill spot with the little purple lighting.
You got any knife on you?
You know what I'm saying? They could have been taking
Anything
pictures.
that can prick.
Let me hold on to the phone.
What's this?
There's coins.
Damn, she had a deep ass voice just now. Uh-oh.
Oh, coins. Wow. Okay. I asked you what that was, and you lied to me.
Is that
I got coins.
Angel Dust Holmes?
I believed you at first, but not anymore.
It's just coins.
Had to be.
Just coins.
Stop moving. This is not good.
More? You'd be surprised how much that bra probably holding.
She don't got no
You be
weapons.
like,
Trying to do
yo,
a
women
call,
stuff
search.
everything in them.
We're getting calls from inside the casino. Can you verify if that's
If I find any bag inside my car, I know that's yours because my car don't have any of that.
No problem.
So if you
Okay,
have more,
inhale,
just let me know.
exhale.
My gun right there just.
You know she
Yo,
is
what?
smoking. Smoke,
Okay, you want
smoke,
that? You want the
choke.
10 cents? All
Yeah.
right, sit in the middle.
When you say a meal, then I make it walk in and have it so.
You gonna give the phone to him or you want her to keep it?
You want him to keep your phone or no?
No, you give it to my boyfriend.
Give
Oh
it to the
yeah,
guy
you
over there?
know, give him all your property.
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
you know what's up. He gonna be like, yeah, you was hiding something. Why you ain't give me that phone, bro? Huh?
So he can
Can't
search
hide
it,
nothing
right?
from the pimps.
Yeah, perfect.
He gonna bail you out.
You put all that
Hey yo,
makeup on.
undercovers be wild nowadays. They in Toyota Camrys, full view. Is this your personal car or that, she probably see that big ass camera right there in her face. She look right there.
Oh, bitch.
We're good. We're good.
This shit buzzes on hours, bro. Like this shit. Unlocking too.
Shorty in behind the passenger just look like she ain't been through this a few times. She like, man,
Come out. Come out. Don't start doing the most.
yo,
Your stuff is all out.
See, trap boys ain't the only ones wearing New Balances and shit now. These fads trying to be,
Damn,
they trying to
man.
play to be one of the niggas on the block. Shirt wasn't like so small. Goddamn, what the hell? What the fuck? Damn, where the hell she come from? Oh yeah, she mad as shit. She ain't been talking or nothing. She must have got locked up and just went silent. Silent soldier. Oh yeah, she's a night walker for real. She ain't had no bra. You already knew she ain't had no bra once you checked the frontings. Seeing how free they were. You feel me? I even noticed that. Like, come on. Maybe because I'm a man, but still. You're a woman, you know. And look at her. She like, bitch. Oh, what they got there?
You got jokes, right? How you got what?
Damn,
There
Shaw, you
ain't nothing
missing
in
teeth?
there.
Like that smoker. Sound like Kermit the Frog. But damn, she got a super stash in between. She slid a hole over the pocket like that was a jail move. Like she was smuggling. Oh yeah, she a pro, professional. But they still caught her that shit. And she pulling change out. Man, women be stashing everything in this shit. That was
Ain't nothing in there.
dragged on her.
I arrested you for it?
Yes.
But I've never seen you before. I don't think
Oh, I told you she been here before.
I remembered you
We
like
got
you was real big.
the repeater.
I remember
We got the repeater in the house.
that show like, oh shit.
Shorty over there in
Like,
the
I said, you
front.
walked out, people
Hey
saw
yo,
me.
she ain't friends with none of them. She
Yeah,
mad.
I
It's
saw
probably
your
her first
ass.
time.
Hey, I'll be honest, I didn't recognize you.
I saw your
Man,
ass.
I'm trying to make some money, feed
I
the
don't remember
household,
her though.
pay my bills,
You know why?
bitch.
We haven't been over there.
Oh,
No, it was
I ain't never doing this again.
I have court tomorrow.
She batting them eyes. Neck snap. Whoop, whoop. Mad.
Tell us who you are. It's gonna be a charge structure. Yeah. If it's us from
See, look at the one. Oh shit, you may as well laugh. Enjoy your room.
Come over here. I threw you your Miranda rights.
The suspect is arrested and charged with indecent exposure and obstructing highway. Her case is still
Ain't
active.
shit. Be out.
If
You
you
can be
like
out
what
in a
you're
few
watching,
hours.
we would be
3
mighty
hours at the
grateful to
maybe
you
4.
if you would
As
go
soon as you
hit
talk to
those
commission, they
subscribe,
can give
like, and share buttons
PBJ
harder than a
on your own
raccoon in a
reconnaissance.
trash
He
can at
gone.
midnight.
Shit, but hey y'all, that was a good video, man. Hey, y'all streetwalkers, man. Hey, be a little more smarter. You feel me? Don't let these motherfuckers catch y'all over here. You know what I'm saying? Half naked. That's what's throwing it off, man. Y'all half naked over here. You feel what I'm saying? Put some clothes on. Just show a little skin. Men gonna come regardless. You show a little leg and a little chest, they gonna drool off the bucks. They men. But hey, y'all, be smart. Till next time, Big Me go out. Later.